Thank you for wake me up. I feel full of energy. We have many special dishes for today. Come in and have a try.
Hello.
Hi, how's doing?
What are the special dishes for today?
Follow me, please. New guests have arrived. Here's table 2. Please have a seat. We recommend our special steak in the house with secret recipe. You must have a try. I'm going to work. Here's your meal. Enjoy your meal. I'm going back to work. Low battery. Be careful, I'm on my way. Charging. See you tomorrow.